Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some very good news to share with you all today. I was so honored to be offered to be on Erica, who is ScrapDiva29 here on YouTube, to be on her, what is it called? Guest design team. Okay, so I said yes. And if you haven't seen my crafty bestie here, Louisa, she also shared her video, and yes, she was also offered, and we are guest design team members for this month, and we received our kits. And yes guys, let's get into this because this is so amazing. Thank you so much, Erica, for offering me this opportunity. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. Okay guys, so if you don't know Erica, she's ScrapDiva29 on YouTube, but she owns a shop and it's ScrapDivaDesigns, and it's right here, www.scrapdivadesigns.com, and you could also find her on Instagram. So if you go to her website, you could also sign up for email notifications so that you could be alerted when she gets her new dies into her shop. And yeah, you guys, you won't be disappointed. It's so amazing. These dies are, I don't know, so very unique to me. And I just so enjoy playing with all her dies. And let me just show you just a little sample of what I have already of hers. It's full, guys. My little bucket. So I'm super excited, and yes, I've used her dies before. They're so easy to assemble, and I even won one of the giveaways, so I'm honored. I'm so honored. So let's get into this, because this is just a guest design team for this month. And let's start with this. So this one is the mini memory decks card, and you get 3 styles. You also get a teeny tiny bow and some little berries here, and you can see the detail stitching on there. The bow has a ruffled edge detail. Super cute. There's the center for your bow, and you get 2 layers for your memory decks. So you get the base layer and then the layering piece, but you could also turn this into a shaker. So that is so fun. Oh my gosh. So here's the second style. Very cute. I love that she has different style edges for your memory decks. These are mini memory decks cards, guys. And here you see she has, oh, these are desk lamps. So very unique. I love this. I have not seen anyone do this one. They're super tiny, guys. And then you have another branch of berries here, again with the faux stitching around the edge. And you also get 2 layers per die or per memory decks card. And then you get this set here. You get little garden themes. So you have the watering can, little shovel, the little fork, and then a little axe. How cute. And it's just a plain rectangle. So from that, you could just create whatever, use it for whatever theme. So cute. So also to mention, if you get these, it's really easy to share it with her. Just use this hashtag ScrapDivaDesigns. Follow her on YouTube, ScrapDiva29, and on Instagram, ScrapDiva.29. And make sure you tag her so she can see what you create. Just share it, and you guys, you know, it'd be awesome. So anyway, next. Here she has her little pinwheel, and it's got a layering piece, and you have the little ruffle edge detail again with the faux stitching again. And oh wow, so you just cut 2 of these. You can either layer it together, or you can use them separately, individually. Those would be 2 cute little pinwheels. And oh my gosh, that is nice. So let's see. Let me see, because I just shared that this one. I didn't measure. So the size for the memory decks card, roughly about 3 inches. and the height would be about just under 3 inches. So that is a pretty cute size. And it's about an inch apart from the hole, center of the holes. So that's a good size. I like that. Okay, and then the pinwheel, it's about an inch. Let me measure it this way from the tallest point. It's about an inch and a half, a little bit more, an inch and 3/4 maybe, from tip to center. But you can imagine that's a good size, and all the way across it would make it, let's see, it would make it 3.5, or no, 3.25. Okay, I'm learning to read my ruler again. Okay, so this is another die set that is a complimentary set to the viewfinder. She has that in her shop. And the thing with these guys, because she's done several restocks on the dies, the email notification would be tremendously important if you want to catch her new releases. So get a hold of that email listing and add yourself to it. This one is for the viewfinder. Let me see. Do I have it over here? So here's the other complimentary set. This was the Valentine release. This is the cupcakes. And she also has, I believe, stars that she released. I cannot find my viewfinder right now, of course, because it's somewhere else. Oh my gosh, where did it go? Yeah, it's in my other pile. So I have the viewfinder, so I can't wait to get a hold of that and put those together. Look at how cute that would look. Actually, this is not the, is this the viewfinder? Yeah, the viewfinder, but she also, you could also use these on the phone die set. So let me put that away, because this is the die set that's coming for the design team. The next die set she has, she started this in Valentine's Day, where she had the little pennant flags. This one is more of a summer theme. So this one says hot, sun, relax, hello, beach. That's cute. They all have the faux stitch details. Drink, smile, barbecue. I can't wait to use this one. Father's Day. And then you also get a blank. So that is so awesome. And then you have the flagpole. Love it. I've seen so many of her design members just crafting up so many fun things with these. So there you go. Love, love, love that. Can't wait. There's a theme going on here. I see it already. And so the next set, this is the stamp and die set. You get 2 styles of aprons. This one has the strings to tie in the back, and this one has the eyelet lace detailing around the edge part. But you could see this like being layered. I could see this layered on top of this. Super cute. Or it could just be a boy or a girl apron. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. Use it the way you want. And then it comes with these clear stamps that says today's menu, take it or leave it, live, love, bake, baking sweet memories, queen of the kitchen, baking is love, made edible. And I love the script. Sprinkled with love, stuffed with sugar, wrapped with love. That's cute. Love at first bite, and baked with love and care. That is so cute. I'm not sure if she has more stamps, but I'm excited for these. I can't wait to stamp a bunch of these out. So guys, please, if you're not following me, go ahead and hit that follow, the subscribe here on YouTube, and then also on Instagram. My Instagram and my YouTube name are the same, so it's easy to find me. And you know, follow along, because I'm going to be sharing whatever projects I create with these, and it'll be fun. You could probably get the dies and join craft with me. So here are some chopping boards, or charcuterie. I can't say the word. I just call them chopping boards. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get five sizes of the chopping board. And the largest one measures 4.5. The second to the largest is 4 and 2/8, 3/8. And then the next one measures 3 1/4. And the next one is about 2 1/4, 2 1/4. And the smallest of all of them is about 1 inch and 5/8. Okay, so that's a good size. I just saw Poochie Tats here on YouTube and Instagram. She just did a rolling pin and the cutting board charm. She made a charm out of it. There was a different design of a cutting board, but it's also a ScrapDivaDesign. So it's just a regular chopping board style with the handle. Go check her out too. So there we go. We've got the aprons, we've got the chopping boards. That's cute. And the last set we have is the utensils set. You get 2 sizes of pots. You get the strainer, the knife, the spoon, the fork, a whisk, a spatula, 2 spatulas, slotted spoon, the rolling pin, and then you get the scraper. How cute. And 2 frying pans. How cute. Beautiful theme here, guys. Oh my God. Combined with the barbecue theme and all the utensils, this is going to be so great for Mother's Day and Father's Day. Oh my gosh. If she comes out with a barbecue die, I am grabbing that sucker because that is going to be so much fun to make. Oh my goodness. So I can't wait to create some beautiful items for you. Stay tuned. Hit the notification bell. And if you already have your notifications on and you're not getting any alerts from me, go ahead and turn it off and hit it back again to turn it back on. Sometimes that will help, but you know, I don't know. YouTube sometimes is very, very finicky for me. So anyways, thank you all for joining. Thank you, Erica, for allowing me to create for you. Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye.